I wanted to wear a suit and tie, but I realized that's not me. So I want to let you know, you can still be a public speaker. Just gotta be you. Thank you, thank you. Don't. No. Don't go out there and get a job. Join a mission that you feel good about. Don't ever, you hear me, ever beg anybody to become their slave. Am I clear? I ain't scared of dying anymore because it's not really that bad. It's one of the safest things we'll ever go through. What I am most fearful about is not telling you what I figured out and what I know. Don't waste your life doing everything everybody else wants you to do. I'm here to tell you, you need to do exactly what's in your heart right now. When you were 3 or 4 years old, you all played, right? Did you care who you played with? Did it matter if your playmate had a different skill color that you did? Did it matter what religion they believed in? Or political party? You could be a kid again and you can play all you want. And nothing's ever going to happen to you unless you don't follow your dreams. Keep on playing. When you go out there, don't let the adults corrupt us. Let them learn from us because today we have better technology. I don't have to memorize your test anymore because I've got all the knowledge in the world here. You could do it your way, you don't have to do it my way. I wanted to wear a suit and tie, but I realized that's not me. So I want to let you know, you can still be a public speaker. Just gotta be you. Thank you. Don't.